Here's a quick fact. To survive in business, you must appear everywhere your customers are. This includes the major social media platforms. Now, here's the problem. Managing the business and keeping multiple social media sites up to date can be a handful. What ends up happening is some of your social media accounts are active while some aren't. The result? If your competitors appear everywhere your customers are and you are not, then guess what? They become one of the significant authorities. This is the secret that big companies like Coca-Cola use all the time. Have you ever noticed how Coca-Cola advertises everywhere, such as newspapers, commercials, social media, YouTube video ads, and everywhere that you may be? The reason why they are doing this is to condition people to remember their brand. Now, you don't have to be a large company like Coca-Cola. Even if you have only a couple hundred or a couple thousand followers, utilizing this strategy will help you convert more prospects into customers. Essentially, what you will become is a celebrity in their eyes. Make sense? The more presence that you have, the more extensive your network of people will be. The more comprehensive your network is, the more people will know about your latest offers and be more engaged in your business. However, attempting to manage and update your social media sites always can be very tiresome. Keeping in the loop of social trends can also be very overwhelming. Imagine having to manage Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more for just one brand. As a one-man or one-woman show, you'll end up burning out. So I want to introduce to you a 7-part step-by-step video course that's going to show you how to discover how to automate your social media presence starting today. In this specific video course, I'm going to show you how to automate your social media presence. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need to get started. Video number 2, we'll talk about the different social media platforms, the purposes behind them. Video number 3, we'll talk about which platform is best. The reality is that most people sign up for every single social media platform, whereas some platforms may be irrelevant and may be platforms that your customers don't even show up on. So you might be spending time and wasting it on areas where your customers are not located at. So that's why we talk about video 2 and 3. Video 4 is all about customizing your game plan to figure out which social media platforms that you should focus on. Then we'll take that brainstorming outline that we created in video number 4, and in video number 5, we'll show you how to map it out. Video number 6, we'll talk about the different automation apps out there. We'll talk about 3. 2 are paid and 1 is free. And we'll utilize the free one. In video number 7, we'll show you how to take what you've mapped out and actually implement everything step by step by utilizing this free automation app. So with that said, go ahead and grab this course today and start learning how to manage and grow your social media presence.